The Hainan gibbon is a critically endangered primate species endemic to the island of Hainan in southern China. It belongs to the family Hylobatidae, which includes gibbons, a group of small apes known for their arboreal lifestyle and distinctive singing behavior. It inhabits the tropical rainforests and montane forests of the island. The Hainan gibbon is one of the rarest primates in the world and is listed as critically endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. The estimated population was less than 30 individuals, making it one of the most endangered primate species. The main threats to the Hainan gibbon's survival are habitat loss and fragmentation due to deforestation and human activities such as agriculture, logging, and infrastructure development. Hunting and poaching also pose a significant threat to the remaining individuals. The Hainan gibbon is a relatively small ape species. The body length of adult Hainan gibbons ranges from about 44 to 63 centimeters from the top of the head to the base of the tail. The tail of Hainan gibbons measures between 17 to 27 centimeters in length. Adult Hainan gibbons typically weigh around 6 to 8 kilograms. However, weight can vary among individuals. The Hainan gibbon exhibits a variety of behaviors that are characteristic of gibbons and other primates. The Hainan gibbon is highly adapted to life in the trees and spends the majority of its time in the forest canopy. It is an agile and acrobatic climber, using its long arms to swing from branch to branch in a form of locomotion called brachiation. Gibbons, including the Hainan gibbon, are known for their loud and melodious vocalizations. They have a specialized throat structure that allows them to produce a variety of sounds, including long and complex songs. These songs are important for communication within family groups, to establish territories, and to attract mates. Hainan gibbons live in small family groups consisting of a monogamous breeding pair and their offspring. The male and female form a long-term bond and jointly defend their territory through vocal displays. They typically have one or two offspring at a time, and both parents actively participate in caring for and raising the young. Hainan gibbons defend their territory through vocalizations and physical displays. They have well-defined home ranges that they mark with their songs, and they actively deter other gibbons from entering their territory. Within family groups, Hainan gibbons engage in social interactions that help maintain group cohesion. They engage in grooming behaviors as a means of bonding and communication. Play behaviors, such as chasing and swinging, are also observed among young gibbons and may serve as a form of social learning. Like many primates, Hainan gibbons are vigilant and display behaviors to avoid potential threats. They are agile and can quickly move through the treetops to escape predators. They may also use vocalizations to alert other group members of potential dangers. The Hainan gibbon is primarily a frugivorous species, meaning its diet primarily consists of fruits. However, it also consumes other plant materials such as leaves and young shoots. Fruits make up a significant portion of the Hainan gibbon's diet. It feeds on a variety of ripe fruits found in its habitat, including figs, berries, and other tree fruits. Fruits provide essential nutrients, energy, and hydration for the gibbons. In addition to fruits, the Hainan gibbon also consumes leaves and young shoots. This may serve as a supplementary food source, especially when fruit availability is limited. Leaves and young shoots can provide additional nutrients and fiber. As frugivorous animals, Hainan gibbons play an important role in seed dispersal within their habitat. By consuming fruits and excreting the seeds in different locations, they contribute to the regeneration and diversity of plant species in the forest ecosystem. The availability of fruits and other food resources can vary seasonally. Hainan gibbons may adapt their diet to the changing availability of food throughout the year. They may consume different fruit species during different seasons or rely more on leaves and other plant materials when fruits are scarce. Hainan gibbons are highly agile and adept at moving through the forest canopy. They use their long arms and strong brachiation skills to reach and collect fruits and other food items. Their diet is predominantly obtained while they are in the trees. The Hainan gibbon has a breeding pattern that is typical of most gibbon species. Hainan gibbons are monogamous, which means they form long-term pair bonds with a single mating partner. A breeding pair consists of an adult male and an adult female. The exact timing of the breeding season for Hainan gibbons can vary, but it is generally believed to occur between November and February. During this period, females experience estrus, or the fertile phase of their reproductive cycle. Hainan gibbons engage in courtship behaviors to establish and reinforce their pair bond. These behaviors can include vocalizations, physical displays, and mutual grooming. Once the female is in estrus, mating takes place. The gestation period for Hainan gibbons is approximately 7 to 8 months. After this period, the female gives birth to a single offspring, occasionally twins but less commonly. The newborn gibbons are relatively undeveloped and rely on their mother for care and nourishment. Both the male and female Hainan gibbon actively participate in the care and rearing of their offspring. They are highly attentive parents and provide protection, grooming, and guidance to the young gibbons. The young gibbon clings to its mother's belly during the early stages of its life and gradually gains independence as it grows. At a certain age, typically around 6 to 8 years, the offspring, particularly males, disperse from their natal group to find their own mate and establish their own territory. This dispersal helps prevent inbreeding and promotes genetic diversity within the population. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.